So I am given a task by my boss to create a table which should have 10,000 cells. If I want to do it manually, it will obviously take a lot of time because selecting 10,000 cells is very tough. But with the help of formula, it could be done within 10 seconds. So let's do it. So I will select from column A to column F, and then in the clipboard menu I will write F10,000. After writing that, I will press shift plus enter and the 10,000 cells will be selected automatically. After that, I will click on the border and all the columns will be selected, and we will have a table in which we can input our data. So it is very easy and simple and only need 5 to 10 seconds. All you need to do is select the columns, and in the clipboard area you just write the last column, for example F or G, and click a number, for example 10,000 or 15,000 or even 50,000, and all the cells will be selected. Then you have to click on the table and it will be ready. Thank you.